managers had to pick the other manager, and he came over and was like, okay, you're good.
That's the most Japanese story I've ever heard in my life.
And I was like, just give me the goddamn food.
That's Japan for you.
That is Japan.
That is Japan for you.
So, yeah, you still took 3 hours just because you had to like re-sign everything and
Well,
as you guys can tell, I am cleaning, and I'm so excited because now that I have contacts, I can wear headbands. And Alex got this for me a while ago because she showed me hers and it looks so cute on her. This is a Sherpa headband from Aerie, and she was like, do you not like the headband I got you because you haven't worn it? I was like, Alex, I can't wear it because I have glasses. And she was like, oh, right. But now that I have contacts, I can wear it. So I'm so excited. Thank you, Alex, for this headband. It's so, so, so cute. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. So in the snippets you saw earlier, you saw that I was doing a ton of cleaning yesterday. I just took a day to do a ton of cleaning. It was so hot yesterday, which I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I love the hot weather, but I had to stay inside for Harley's sake. So since the indoors has AC, then obviously we kind of just stayed inside. This morning I woke up, it's Sunday morning, and I did my workout. My friend Alex, I don't know if I've told you guys, but she basically kind of like gave me, she didn't like make the regime, but she basically gave me a guideline to follow. And then I'm drinking these. If you guys haven't seen these yet, or if you're like a Premier protein kind of person, so I don't like protein like powders that like people buy and then they shake and mix it. They taste really gross to me. So I was drinking, because I'm not a breakfast person. Like, I'm a brunch person, but I'm not like a breakfast person. So I was drinking like the vanilla Premier proteins because I would mix it with like green tea, or I'll mix it with like an espresso shot, and then I get like a really high protein, low calorie kind of like beverage. But those have like a really filmy kind of, it's not gross, but it has like a filmy like texture to them. And then Fairlife, which is like the best milk brand ever, came out with these. These are 30 grams of protein, 150 calories. This has like less vitamins than the one that the Premier protein has, which I still have a lot of Premier protein, so it's not like I don't drink them, because this one only comes in chocolate right now. And it has 2 grams of sugar, and then I think they use like sugar alcohols, which is why it tastes so good. And it also has carrageenan, which Lauren hates. Lauren, if you're watching, hi. But anyways, I like drinking these because they fill me up, and I don't like eating a ton of breakfast. I'm a brunch person, but brunch usually I eat at like noon. So anyways, I got this and I like loaded up. I bought like so many cases at Costco, but I've seen them like all over the Costco's now. So they are really, really, really accessible now. Before you couldn't find them. I was looking for them for months. Anyways, they are amazing. They taste like regular chocolate milk. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna take a shower because I smell stinky. Okay, this is my outfit of the day today. I'm trying to wear my old clothes. Not like old clothes, but like I'm trying to shop my closet. So this skirt is from Aritzia a long, long time ago. It has 2 slits in the back and has this like wrinkled effect, which is really in right now. I don't have a matching top, so I'm just wearing this. I got it when I went to Japan, and it's from Wilfred Free. Okay, so I parked my car and I'm walking over to Ji Bao now. I've been here like multiple times, and they opened a new like stop. Okay, here it is. So I haven't been since they had their new opening, but I'm gonna grab my takeout and then go. Okay, I got the goods. It was like 15 something for 2 orders, and each order comes with 4. And these are the best Ji Baos ever. Not Xilong Bao, but Ji Baos. Like so good. This is their old location. So this is like Bing Ave. So they just moved up over there. And there's a new Aerie hot dog, which I think is like the same as Chung Chun, but I'm not gonna have that today. Okay, this is the best Ji Bao ever. Look at it. It's amazing. I'm watching Abroad in Japan, but I'm going to just show you guys what one of these look like. One of these Ji Baos. So this is what it looks like. Inside is pork and a ton of soup. It is so good and juicy. So you bite a hole into it. Drink the soup. So good. Look at Harley in the background. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, but before I end the vlog, I wanted to show you guys this planner that I picked up from Sakoshi Mart. So this is what it looks like. I know it's red and ugly, but I bought it because it was half off. And I really needed a planner that had month on 2 pages like this. And the normal one I use is this one. It's from Louis Vuitton. It's the Agenda PM. And I use it, and this is how it looks like. Like, it's week on 2 pages. However, I need a month on 2 pages because I need to write my days out so I can glance at it really quick. And I like this one because it has, first of all, like the yearly schedule, which is cool, and then it has month on 2 pages, as you guys could see. So every month you see it's like Monday to Sunday, which is really nice because then I can write out and then I can see my month at a glance. But then the back is really awesome because it's not like a full-on agenda where it's like every day you write something else. The back, there's pages where you can write notes. So this is awesome because I need to have pages to write notes. So I'm gonna use this one and combination with this one, and you might be thinking like, why don't you just get like a bigger agenda? Honestly, I love having the pocket one. This is a great size for me. It's just that I don't have month on 2 pages on this agenda, and Filofax just no longer sells the inserts for a month on 2 pages. So for 2023, I'm gonna buy the month on 2 pages and then use this again. But for the remainder months of 2022, I got this one, and I thought it was cute because, okay, I don't like the red, but it was half off, so that's why I bought it. But I love that there's no face on it, and I just loved how the pages were also like decorated and subtly, and there's no face, and then there's like Yubaba up here. Look, it's really cool, and I got it for half off. So half off was like $15 or something like that. And I didn't like the ones from Indigo that they currently had. They were thick. This one's really nice and thin. It's perfect for what I need it for. So, I mean, I'm never gonna use this ever again after this year, but you could technically take this off, but it still does say 2022. So I probably won't use it. Like, I'll use this for the year, and then that's probably all I'll use it for, because then also, like, where am I supposed to find this insert again? But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Make sure to follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!